Hi, folks. This is your host Mandeep. It's Thursday, July the 23rd, and wanted to do a quick midday update and take a look at where the market stands and what was I looking at, and just basically giving you my thought process. Again, as I've mentioned many times before, doesn't mean it's the right perspective, but just sharing with you at least my technique. So my intent is to help people out who are starting new or just sort of learning technical analysis. So clearly, the focus is on internals always, right? Because the internals tell you or give you a roadmap of where the market is going. So one of the first things I notice in the morning is, and these are for the Nasdaq 100, and the up down volume was reversed, right? So the down volume was 73.5%, meaning this is obviously the current data, which means 73% of the volume is flowing in issues that are declining, and only 26% is flowing in issues that are advancing, right? And on top of that, I got this sell signal here, which is the ultimate trading strategies sell signal, which was a short that played out, and this short is still in play, right? And the trade that I took was something that I shared in the Discord room, which is a short position using a put spread. So I was long the 260 Q puts, and then I took a short position in the 240. So basically, it was a spread for 260, 240, which worked out well, right? So that was a good trade. And at this point in time, the market is still sort of more geared towards the downward direction. My best guess for the next target for the Qs is around 259. We'll see whether it gets hit or not. And on top of that, we see this cumulative tick is also negative, right? The histogram is actually negative at this point in time. Now, in the morning, there were a couple good trades on the long side, but they didn't last too long. It's something that I shared in the room as well. And I'll show you what those were in the morning. So this is the stuff that I was looking at in the morning. ISRG, which had a very quick profit, and then Lululemon was also a profitable trade. And this is a spread that I have for July 21st. This is a buy right where I bought the 145 and I sold the call for 145 because there was a large premium on it, and we'll see how this works out at the end of the week. So back to the internals, they look fairly weak. We'll also take a look at the internals for the SPY and see where it stands right now, and once it pops up we can discuss that. So in this case, the advanced decline line is a little bit better, right? The SPYs are in the ratio of 60 to 40, right? There's 634 more issues that are advancing, and as you can see, the advanced decline, the volume flow is also positive, right? So the up volume is 59% and the down volume is 40%. In other words, there is again probably a rotation happening into the uh, value stocks from growth. So technology is taking a little bit of a break, and people are rotating their money into growth stocks. That's what it seems like. But we'll see how the rest of the day pans out, and have a wonderful trading day. Thank you. Bye bye.